And tonight, day 2 of the injunction hearing to save recently cut sports programs at Stephen F. Austin State University has come to an end. SFA cut bowling and volleyball, both all-female sports. Cuts also included the women's and men's golf teams back in May. KTRE's Mariela Gonzalez explains.
Day 2 has concluded at the Lufkin Federal Court. Now both sides are waiting for the judge's ruling to find out if 3 women's sports programs will return to campus. Sophia Myers is one of the 5 who filed the lawsuit against SFA. She says,
"It's been surprising. It's been kind of devastating, to say the least, but ultimately I think we did everything that we could and we put our best foot forward."
Athletic department leaders testified, saying the cuts were a difficult decision. Director Michael McBroom said consultants were hired to help them stay in compliance with Title IX. He said if they were to keep the programs, they would have to make a 10% financial cut for all sport teams. However, they were not advised to cut women's sport. It was suggested to cut men's track and cross country. The plaintiff's attorney, Arthur Bryant, said reports show SFA would have to add 300 women to get equality under Title IX.
The notion that it's that far off, which is the largest numbers I've heard in the country, and thinking it can get away with cutting women's teams is really outrageous.
A university official, Gina Oglesby, testified, saying there was no alternative plan presented to the cabinet. She also explained university funds, combined with ticket sales, royalties, and donations, are used to fund the athletic department. And the athletic department could not be funded on its own through revenues. Berkeley Andrews, who is also suing the school, says this isn't just about reinstating the program, but
it's about the future of women's sports and how they're just basically losing power. And if this decision could change the future of all of that, it could change how programs make decisions in the future.
Mariela Gonzalez, KTRE East Texas News 9.
And the judge expects to have a written ruling by tomorrow afternoon.